come out and check your new grill. Okay. We got everything. Everything would have been $670, but we only paid $113 for everything we got you.
Okay.
And you're saying we didn't
Right.
save money.
Right.
Who?
My friend Henry.
Okay, so
Record his reaction.
So, Dad, this is one of the things that came with your grill.
The cover for it. They see it. There goes the door. Ooh, wow, that's big. Okay.
Right.
Now you have to.
Where? How do you like it?
I like it, yes.
Really like it? And this is all for you as well. Look in the bag.
All these accessories, they allowed us to $25 worth of or more of accessories. So we got like the grill light.
We got a spatula for you.
What is a grill light?
It's an attachable LED grill light. So when you cook, when it gets really dark and
You can
you have
still
to
keep cooking?
you can still keep cooking and you can actually
Wow.
see your food and everything.
Oh, you need to get that in the backyard.
Oh, and then well, there's more. And here we got like little, fort or corn thingies.
Oh, these are corn thingies. Okay,
Yeah. And then this little to
For
push.
squishy patties? Yeah.
Oh, and there's a thing like cast iron things that you pull out. So when they get really really hot, and you have to pull them out, but you don't have anything to like grab it with.
And Dad,
This came with the grill, so it came with a little thing,
Oh.
so you can like take it out, and
That's the whole grill, huh?
yeah.
I got you a little gag gift with my own money. Don't worry, beer happy.
Dear Hoppy.
Liked it?
Yes.
Hey, Dad, come here.
It's video
Okay,
recording, so yeah.
But you gotta get this in the backyard because I gotta give.
Okay, so guys, we will be right back with you. We are glad you got to see the content of this video. We're glad we surprised my dad in this today. Thank you for watching. We hope you guys are surprised. Today, we're doing something for Father's Day. We're so happy to show you guys the new gift we got my dad. So here it is. So guys, as this Father's Day special goes on, we will be cooking a bunch of different things for tonight's feast. We have steak, sausages, and the best part, ribs. You cannot go wrong with a Father's Day rib. So you can see that we have this amazing looking sausage and steak. The ribs are not done, but I'm going to try some of this right now. Let's enjoy, guys. Cheers. Oh my god, that is spicy. Very flavorful. I could taste thyme, oregano, and a bunch of other spices in that. It's incredible. So, let's try the steak. The crust. Oh man. Trying to cut this is a hassle, but look at that perfectly juicy pink in the middle. You cannot go wrong with the steak like this. Once again, cheers, guys. I didn't season any of this. I'm just going to state that, yes, I should have, but just this steak by itself, oh my god. I can't put it into words. It's crunchy on the outside, but tender on the inside. Some of the most ridiculously good steak I have ever tried. So we have these ribs now. They're fully cooked and they're done. I am so excited to try a bite of this. I can still see that on this one there are some tendons. If I don't know if you could see this, but those little white strands right there and right there are the intermuscular fat, or the gristle that you don't want. So the butcher who butchered this up probably was trying to be fast about it. You can tell by how bad the trimming job was done, but yet let us try it for the very first time. Every piece of meat. I'm sorry, every piece of meat that I tried today is something spectacular in its own way. This is so freaking good. I just need to take one more bite. Oh my god. Yeah, guys. Some of the best ribs I have ever tried. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe and follow us on Facebook.